We're counting down 10 upgrades, each under $50, that can make any bedroom feel like a luxury hotel. From simple textile swaps and smart scent choices to one 1999 design decision that sparked an entire industry war, these are the same principles five-star hotels rely on every single day, and none of them require a renovation. Let's start at number 10, with one simple fold that changes everything. In the 10th place, a neatly folded throw blanket at the foot of the bed delivers instant polish with almost no effort or expense. Hotels use this simple detail to add texture and a sense of completion. No elaborate styling required. For under $15 at Target or Walmart, a soft fleece or knit throw brings both comfort and cohesion, especially when you color match the blanket to your bedding or rug. The 1-minute trick: fold the throw in thirds lengthwise, then in half, and lay it flat across the foot of the bed. This single step gives the eye a landing spot, signals care, and introduces the idea of layering, setting the stage for even richer upgrades ahead. Number 9, a fresh flower or a small potted plant brings instant vitality and a sense of daily care to any room. Hotels rely on this simple touch to signal that a space is actively maintained. Just a single stem in a glass vase, or a compact snake plant from Target, often under $20, can make the difference between ordinary and inviting. Studies in guest satisfaction link the presence of greenery to higher ratings of comfort and attentiveness. To keep it looking fresh, choose a low-maintenance option like a snake plant or a pothos. Just water once a week and wipe the leaves when dust appears. Placing your plant at eye level on a nightstand or dresser creates a living contrast to the softness of your bedding and sets the stage for surfaces that feel curated, not cluttered. 8th place, decluttered surfaces set the foundation for a true hotel feel. In hospitality, visual order signals care, a principle backed by environmental psychology and echoed in industry surveys, where over half of travelers say cleanliness shapes their booking decisions. The 2-minute method is simple. Remove everything from dressers and nightstands, sort essentials, and only return what serves a purpose or brings calm. Hidden storage, like drawer dividers or a basket under the bed, keeps daily clutter out of sight. This reset transforms the room into a blank canvas, ready for curated touches like trays or flowers. One focused afternoon is all it takes to create a sense of calm and elevate perceived value before adding any new decor. Number 7, a simple tray on your dresser or nightstand turns a blank surface into a curated display, just like in a boutique hotel. Hotels use trays to group essentials, creating a sense of order and intention even in the smallest details. Instead of scattered keys, jewelry, or tech, a tray gathers everything into a single, visually pleasing vignette. The effect is immediate, clutter looks organized, and the surface reads as styled, not messy. Retailers like Target offer the Room Essentials tray for just $9.99, but any sturdy plate or shallow box works. For a designer touch, follow the 3-item rule and combine a candle, a book, and a small decorative object. This micro-staging approach not only keeps daily items tidy, but also primes the space for the next sensory layer, like a signature scent. Trays are the secret to making everyday routines feel intentional and hotel-worthy. Number 6. A scented diffuser or a quality candle instantly adds the hotel secret that is hardest to pin down: signature scent. While most upgrades are visual, hotels rely on olfactory branding to trigger emotional memory and set the mood the moment you walk in. Research in sensory marketing shows that a consistent, pleasant fragrance can boost brand recall and even increase guest spending by 12%. For under $30, a reed diffuser with natural essential oils offers a subtle, steady aroma, safe for bedrooms and lasting for weeks. Soy candles, often $10 to $15 at retailers like Target, create warmth and a cozy glow, but always remember to burn within sight for safety. The choice between a diffuser and a candle comes down to preference. Diffusers are low maintenance and flame-free, while candles offer ambiance for special moments. This upgrade is about more than just smelling nice. It is about layering a sense of calm and care, making your space memorable in a way guests remember long after they leave. Number 5. A matching set of towels in a single color brings hotel-level polish to any bathroom. Hotels rely on this detail for a reason. Uniform towels signal cleanliness and attention to detail, reinforcing the sense of order that makes a space feel cared for. Swapping out a jumble of mismatched towels for a crisp set, especially in white or a soft neutral, instantly elevates the look. White towels are bleach-friendly and easy to launder, which is why they're the industry standard, but any consistent shade works. The Amazon Basics 6-piece set, often available for under $30 and sometimes as low as $23 on sale, covers 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels, and 2 washcloths. Enough for a complete refresh. For maximum effect, fold or roll each towel neatly and stack them in open sight, just as hotels do. This simple, affordable upgrade extends the principle of textile uniformity from the bedroom to the bath, creating a seamless flow of calm and cleanliness throughout your space. Number 4. Installing a dimmer switch transforms the entire mood of your bedroom for less than $20. With a Leviton single-pole dimmer regularly on sale for $17.99 at Home Depot, you can swap harsh, fixed lighting for a soft, adjustable glow, just like a boutique hotel. The difference is immediate. Bright for getting ready, low, and cozy for winding down, and everything in between. This upgrade becomes especially powerful when paired with blackout curtains, letting you control not just light levels but the entire ambience of the room. Do-it-yourself installation is straightforward for most people, but safety comes first. Always turn off the breaker before removing the old switch and double-check wiring with insulated tools. In just half an hour, you gain full command over your room's atmosphere, setting the stage for true rest and relaxation. The investment is small, but the effect is dramatic. Your space instantly feels more intentional, more calming, and unmistakably hotel-worthy. Number 3. Blackout curtains hung floor-to-ceiling transform both the look and the function of a bedroom. Hotels rely on this trick to create the illusion of soaring ceilings and to guarantee total darkness, setting the stage for deep, uninterrupted sleep. The effect is immediate. When blackout panels are mounted just below the ceiling and extend all the way to the floor, the room feels taller, the walls read as seamless, and the window disappears into a backdrop of soft, uniform fabric. This isn't just about aesthetics. Clinical sleep research links true darkness to longer, higher-quality REM cycles, with studies showing up to 15% more restorative sleep when nighttime light is eliminated. Affordable options abound. An Amazon Basics 2-panel blackout set regularly sells for $26.99 and blocks nearly 99% of outside light. Installation is simple. Just measure the full wall height, mount your curtain rod as close to the ceiling as possible, and let the panels graze the floor for that hotel-worthy finish. This upgrade not only elevates the sense of scale, but also creates the perfect canvas for symmetrical bedside lamps, bringing a sense of calm order, and making every night feel like a 5-star stay. Coming to the top 3, matching bedside reading lamps create the kind of visual order that instantly reads as high-end. In hotel rooms, a pair of identical lamps on either side of the bed is more than just a lighting choice. It's a design signal that frames the entire sleeping area with calm, intentional symmetry. This is not just a style preference. It's rooted in the Gestalt principle of symmetry, which lowers cognitive load and helps the mind relax. When you swap out mismatched or single lamps for a coordinated pair, like IKEA's Ran Arp set, which totals $38, you introduce a balanced focal point that makes the whole room feel more put together. The effect is immediate. The bed becomes the centerpiece, and the space feels curated, not accidental. Even in small bedrooms, this upgrade brings a professional polish that is hard to achieve any other way for so little money. The side-by-side comparison is striking. A single lamp looks like an afterthought, but a matched pair signals care and professionalism, setting the scene for the final reveal of true hotel-style bedding. And finally, in first place, white hotel-quality bedding transforms an ordinary bedroom into a space that signals calm, cleanliness, and true luxury the moment you walk in. This upgrade has a clear origin story. In 1999, Westin Hotels introduced the Heavenly Bed, a full set of all-white layered linens designed by Barry Sternlicht and Sue Brush. The impact was immediate. Westin's guest satisfaction index jumped 5%, and their hotline sold 3 beds every single day. The industry quickly followed, sparking what became known as the hotel bed wars, with brands like Marriott and Hilton investing hundreds of millions to catch up. The reason is simple. White bedding makes a room feel freshly cleaned, visually expands the bed, and puts the focus on softness and comfort. Hotels layer a duvet, crisp sheets, and shams for that plush, inviting look, and you can create the same effect at home for less than $50. Target's threshold 100% cotton duvet cover set is $44.99, and similar options from Walmart and Amazon regularly dip below that price during sales. The trick is to keep every layer white, no patterns, no color blocks, so light bounces and the bed becomes the centerpiece of the room. Fold the duvet back, stack pillows in even rows, and let the layers show. This single upgrade delivers the biggest leap in perceived cleanliness and luxury, grounding all the other details, symmetry, lighting, and texture around a bed that feels truly 5-star. Which upgrade are you trying first? Let us know in the comments below. For more practical design tips and affordable transformations, subscribe now. Across all 10 upgrades, one truth stands out. Hotel luxury is crafted through intentional, simple touches, not expensive overhauls. Small changes create calm, order, and comfort you feel every day. Which upgrade will you try first? Let us know below, and for more design inspiration, do not forget to subscribe.